Hey guys, what's up? Coach Pika here, and this is Omega Nun. Omega Esports is an online talk show and game show where we do the most radical things for you guys. Ourselves and some guests will do that for you. So please, don't hesitate to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below on what you want to see from us. See you guys around. So now we have contenders here today, mga kaibigan na talagang gigil na gigil, ano? Hindi nakabataan itong mga to, pero competitive pa rin, no? We have two games today, namely Move Along Ball and Cookies Falling. So, introduce naman natin yung contenders natin. First and foremost, from our League of Legends Wild Rift team, we have Stronger. And from our Tekken 7 team, we have Jules. Okay, so napaliwanag ko na yung mga rules sa kanila. Let's see who the winner is gonna be, and standby na lang tayo kung ano yung magiging reward nila pag nanalo sila. See you soon.
Uy,
Grabe ka ron.
pre, may technique yan, pre.
Only the Avatar, master of water, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished.
Tignan lang ito, Jules. Pwede yan. Dahan-dahan lang. Jules, tignan lang ito, Jules. Pwede yan.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me. Here too much raining.
Ang hirap. Tayo na, mas may effort pa kayo dito kaysa sa exercise natin.
Slide na to, di ba? Ang hirap ah.
Iyan, tubig.
Oo, di ba? May technique yan.
Yun, nice, Jules. Kevin. Tignan.
Reverse flip.
Okay, Kevin, Jules. Nasa burger.
Naku, kasama.
Nako.
Parang muulan na dyan, ah.
Yeah!
Ah.
GG.
Nice one!
You don't get it, do you? We were nothing!
So mga kaibigan, matapos ang talagang mabasa-basang labanan ng ating mga players dito between Stronger and Jules, ang nanalo ay none other than si Jules. Alright, so mukhang may matatanggap siya, hindi natin alam kung ano siguro, trash talk. Our next game is coming up, so stay tuned.
Nag-problem ba si? Nalaglag ka agad o.
Hindi mo lang sa gila.
Ayaw, pre!
Bakit?
Ano ba to? Papailing ako dito.
Paano? Paano? Uy, 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 matcha! Tagalan ah.
Kaya pwede.
Ano ba to, pre?
Ang hirap.
Ay! Nalaglag na lahat. Ano to?
Uy, uy, uy.
Eh, tinitimpla, tinitimpla.
Ayaw niya malaglag, bro!
Kaya, Jules.
Abol, abol.
Nawala yung timpla. Tinitimpla, tinitimpla.
Ano? Oh.
Wala, pinatawag tayo.
Yung bawi mo yan, oh.
Tapos na hindi lang mo. Ano yan?
Uy, uy! Uy!
Kumuha doon.
Init na labanan.
Doggy.
What's for you, electric fan?
Ayan, sila yung sila dyan sa kabila.
Uy! Oh! Yo!
So ladies and gentlemen, we have another game that concluded, and for this one, nakabawi kaya? O na-defend ba ang kanyang throne? So our winner for our cookies falling is si Stronger naman, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so ayan. But don't worry, we encourage sportsmanship here. Stay tuned for our next contender. Hello everyone, Coach Pique here of Omega Esports again with another episode and another set of games for Omega No. Now we have our players from our League of Legends Wild Rift team. Pakilala ko muna sila. To my right here is Impressive. And impressive naman talaga itong tropa natin. Pero not if he has something to say about it, si Timelapse naman on my left. So we do have two games here, ladies and gentlemen. First and foremost, the move along ball and of course, the cookies falling. Ako, mukhang talaga namang madiin and madikit ng labanan natin mga kaibigan. So, let's see who's gonna win that. And kung ano mapapanood nila, stay tuned.
Paano yun, Jules? Paano yung tempo, Jules?
Inhale ka muna, pre! Uy! Sige! Ito pa! Yun, effect ko sana! Yun pa! Yun pa! Yun na! Kaya umigo ka ng noodles, oh! Sige, lagyan ng tubig! Sige! Uy! Uy! Tapos na! Ata! Ito ba?
Habol ka.
Kaya pa! Nalagyan ng tubig!
See, this is why.
Wah! Wah! Ipag may mata!
So friends, we just concluded Move Along Ball. Mukhang may nanalo na sa atin na talaga namang para sa kanya, nadadalian yata. Mukhang kulang sa challenge eh. So the winner of our first game is none other than si Impressive, diba? So again, this guy, nako, bukong bibigyan yung salita. Basic. Basic. So let's wait for our next game, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned.
Uy!
Pwede ba yan? Pwede ba yan?
Bakit ka ba?